If you're a seller on Whatnot, you're going to want to look at the shipping weight before you hit that generate label button. There could be something off. Guys, to make things even more confusing, I don't understand. I kind of understand what Whatnot is doing here. And it's kind of, I don't know. I'll let you decide. So, I made a video about the new shipping, okay? And you can set your own shipping profile of what kind of item and what the weight is going to be. So, for comic books, I set a custom profile to 6 ounces. So you would think after 3 books, you'd be in that priority label, right? Should be 18 ounces. So I go and check. Okay, as you can see, like this one here says 18 ounces. By the way, Whatnot, I'm not showing anything, anybody's personal data, nothing like that. I'm just showing the weights and the date, and that's it. Okay? So I already changed that to 18 ounces. It said 14.5. Okay? Now here's the funny thing. It should have already defaulted to 18 ounces because I set my default to 6 ounce per item. If you look at this one below it, there's 2 items at the 12 ounces. So 3 should be 18, which I set it to. But the funny thing is, it changed the let me see if I can find another one that is look, so look at this one, right? 14.5, 3 items, 6 ounces, right? Each item. So it's a little weird to me that the third item, they're dropping the weight down. We can't raise the weight up or we'll be charged, okay? Literally, when I go to change this to 18 ounces, it says, in the future, you'll be charged for raising this weight above the pound, the 16 ounces, when it should be over a pound already. I set it to 6 ounces per book. Why are they dropping it down? To make things even crazier, right? So this person got 12. Okay? Click on it. Highlight a little bit. 12 books. Okay? And it lowered it to 35 ounces. 35.5. So, I just don't understand. I don't know what they're doing. But I'm fine. I'm fine with being charged if it's underweight. But if I'm setting it at the correct weight and you're lowering it down, and then I have to pay to raise it back up to the weight that I set it at the beginning of the show. Do you understand what I'm saying? There's something off here. I already reached out to seller support. I'll let you guys know what's going on, because I understand the new shipping. I do. Okay? They're trying to make it more in line with these other companies, but you can't be dropping the shipping weight down when you set profiles. So you could save a couple dollars too. Like it's I don't understand. I do, but I don't. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. And knowing's half the battle.
Now we know.
And knowing is half the battle.
But anyway, guys, definitely not cool. Hopefully they can fix it. Maybe it's just a glitch in the Matrix. Maybe there's nothing nefarious going on. But I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I hear back from seller support and they can fix this problem, because there's going to be a lot of times that they're going to lower the weight and you're going to have to adjust because you're under, and you're going to get charged that extra money when you already set it to the correct amount. I don't know, man. Just seems a little fishy. Because, like, when you have the one item, you can get it right. When there's 2 items. But as you go higher, you start lowering the shipping weight. Hey. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see where this goes. I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.